In exercise 12.4 number 1, in A, you've been asked to use the difference quotient definition to form the rule for f prime x for the gradient function. Now, when we do this, we actually call this first principles differentiation as well. So I'll bounce between using that terminology. So what that means is, each time you see an x plus h, replace that for the x. And we'll take that from 2x squared plus x plus 1. That's all over h as h approaches 0. So doing the expansion, all over h. Gathering all that together, cancelling the h out, and I'm left with 2h plus 4x plus 1. Now, as h approaches 0, that'll equal 4x plus 1. So, by first principles differentiation, the derivative of 2x squared plus x plus 1 is 4x plus 1. Now, if I move on to B, I'm asked for what happens, the gradient of the function at the point -1, 2. So that means f prime, -1, I'm going to substitute that into gradient format. And that will give me, in number 1 here, -3. When x is equal to 0, f prime of 0, 4 times 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1. Now, this is called first principles differentiation, and you'll find that formula in your formula or information sheet. It's a very long-winded way of going about things, but important that we get the fundamentals right. You'll notice it's virtually the same as what we were looking at with the gradient of the secant.